Elected to the Lincoln County bench in November 2012, Judge Chris Minnemeyer quickly presided over a case that garnered national attention, the Betsy Faria murder trial. Since then, several cases under Judge Minnemeyer have been overturned by the higher courts. Attorney Lynette Petruska said the reversals stand out.
I have to assume that the judge was operating on a good faith belief that she was doing the right thing, but the Court of Appeals told her she was wrong 3 times in a row. That is unusual.
Court records indicate it's happened a 4th time, the case of Jody Davis. Judge Minnemeyer sentenced her for stealing and possession of a controlled substance and ordered her to long-term treatment. Davis told me that helped.
I was committing this kind of crime for drugs, and I lost myself in that process. So it was actually just learning who I am again and the things that I want out of life, you know.
She completed the program. Then the judge said she could not go.
The program is actually a year long, and it's called the 365 program. Well, on my 365th day, I wasn't released. I was told that the judge was keeping me in there for X amount of days afterwards, and I had no understanding. It broke my heart.
She almost didn't fight it, afraid fighting could lead to more repercussions.
Maybe she felt like she was doing the right thing, and I understand that. But I knew, being a client in that program, that once you complete it, it's over. You're done.
Her attorney, Tom Croco, believed the definitive answer to whether she successfully completed the program was in this court report investigation, but he was not allowed to see it.
We don't have access to those reports. We've been denied access to those reports.
Strangely, the supposedly confidential report was made public by the Lincoln County prosecutor, responding for the judge. The document stated the program completion date had passed almost 2 months earlier.
I was a little curious that that report was included in the state's response.
And it showed you what your client had told you all along?
Yes. Yeah, the report supported what she told me about her participation and her successful completion.
The appeals court agreed. Judge Minnemeyer was, quote, required to issue an order releasing Davis on probation immediately.
The treatment program worked. I want to say that. She's living proof of that, and I'm glad she's going to be able to go on and live her life.
For the Fox Files, I'm Chris Hayes.